Mami, wala ka. Sayang. Happy Mother's Day, Mami.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Kahit wala ka, ano kami, celebrate kami.
Welcome to our vlog. We just finished our Sunday Mass, which started at 12:30, and right now we're going to Korean Bop for lunch because we are already parked in town, right?
Before we,
Yeah.
we're only allowed to park there for 3 hours. So now we're going there, yeah? Look at
Yes.
the people. A lot of people attended Mass. Continue.
I don't know what to say.
Alright.
Blooper.
How does it work here?
It's like Chipotle. You can either order or choose what you want.
Sweet potato noodle. That sounds nice.
Can you order for me, yeah?
You don't know what you want.
Bulgogi. I want bulgogi.
Are you just gonna get bulgogi?
Yeah.
You can get two.
Bulgogi barbecue.
If you get another thing, it's only an extra £1, and from there, it's still only £1. You can get like bulgogi and sweet chili, for example.
Yo, do you guys want rice bowls? I want rice bowls.
Yeah, rice bowl. I would like rice bowl. Yeah. That looks nice.
It's really big.
Mami, nasa bab kami. Oh, request ng mga anak ko, Mother's Day daw. Look him.
Huh?
Oh, yan. So, kakain muna kami, ha?
Sweet chili with candy curry. And I'm now gonna try it.
You've got black noodles as well. Is it spicy?
It's not too bad in terms of spice, but it's also really tasty.
Ooh. Pabigit-bigit pa si Kuya. What about you?
I got the bulgogi and
You're the same, yeah?
sweet and sour chicken.
I think this is Korean chicken.
Yeah, and I got sweet and sour chicken.
Sweet and sour on yours?
No, the chicken is sweet and sour.
Masarap. Oh, pwede na. Mami, wala ka. Sayang. Happy Mother's Day, Mami.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Kahit wala ka, ano kami, celebrate kami. So ayan, tapos na tayong kumain. Punta tayo ng M&S. Hanap lang ako ng pwedeng baunin ng mga boys. Kasi kailangan ready tayo, prepared. Mahirap magpabaon dito eh. Hindi mo alam kung anong papabaon mo.
I don't know if I want
Masarap sana to, kaya lang nakakaano eh. Sobrang tamis.
You guys get your stuff.
You don't want? Are you sure? You can have one. That one, no? Cookie.
Oh, I'm sure, Dad. I'm sure.
Huh?
I don't.
Huh? No?
I mean, maybe. But
Maybe.
Also, no. I don't
Kuha ka
think.
na, para bibili ko na.
I don't think it'll be good for me.
Sige na. Get one na bibili ko. No. Yung cookie na lang kunin mo.
I'll get some cookies.
You pay now.
Yeah, come on.
Come on. Bayad na tayo. Thank you. Please. Put this in your bag as well, please. Thank you.
He made a second one. The CEO of McDonald's made a second one where they're not even like.
O yan, pabalik na tayo. Daan tayo sa mga hindi natin dinadaanan madalas. Ayan o. Si Joe ay nasa Manila na. Nasa airport na siya. Nag-landing na siya kaninang mga 9:15. Pero si Michi, na-delay daw. Kaya kailangan niya maghintay doon kung nakalabas na siya. Hindi ko pa siya makontak. Kasi nag-gan siya eh. Binilhan ko siya ng eSIM. Activated na yun pagka-landing niya. Sometimes kasi hindi rin naman agad nag-work kahit na sabihin nilang activated na. Uy oh, simenteryo pala to. Oh. Merong nakatent doon, no? It's a graveyard, yeah.
Why did someone put a tent in there?
Well, we don't know, dear. Siyempre, malamang walang bahay yan, kaya nandyan yan. Ayan, o. Nakausap ko na si Michi. Yun nga, madidelay daw sila. Dito tayo sa Porbuy Park. Pakita nga natin yung ano, mula yon ng Reading. Yun, oh. So doon tayo nagsimba kanina, doon. Nagpark tayo across the road kasi wala na akong mapark yun kanina sa church. So nagpark ako doon sa may sa may Porbury Retail Park. Yan. Ganda ng bulaklak ko. Ayos. O, ibang anggulo ng Reading. Yan. Actually, dumadaan tayo madalas dito, hindi lang tayo nagpupunta sa loob ng park. Yan. Traffic. Ako po. Yun, umandar na. Hopefully umandar tayo. Ayun, umandar na. Uy, it's raining. Come on.
Oh my god!
We're just on time. Sakto tayo. Oh, umuulan. Ano, pumapatak na. It's raining.
That is true. That is really trashy.
Ayan, oh. So how's the bap?
Really good.
Sarap, no? Sarap.
It's a wrap.
Pag po yung mga nanonood ng taga-Reading, punta po kayo sa bap. Ang sarap.
Dad, I put my bread here.
Hindi masyadong mahal. Sakto lang yung presyo niya. Very filling, no?
Yeah.
Tsaka tasty. Ayan, drive na muna kami. Ayan.
Going home.
We're going home.
Mom's already home.
Mom's not home yet. Mom's in the airport.
Yeah, she's already.
Oh, is she in the Philippines yet?
She's in the Philippines now. She's in the airport in Manila.
Oh, nice. That's great. That's good news.
Good news, yeah. Thank you, Lord. But they have to travel from Manila to Tarlac. And it's late.
What time is it?
What time is it now?
No, for them in Philippines.
Plus 8. Oh, so it's like 10:15 now. Can you see that? Cherry blossom, is it? That cherry blossom?
Yeah. That's nice.
I'm not sure if that's cherry blossom.
No, it is.
Very nice, no? Sa 6:15 na ng gabi. Yan, nakarating na si Jo sa Tarlac. Nakakila Mami Josie na. Ayan. Nag-send na siya ng picture, oh. Yan. Happy. Oo nga pala. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kanina yung sino nakita nila. Nakita nila si Jose Marichan. Yan, oh. Nakita nila si Jose Marichan sa airport. Yan. Hinay pa ako. Ang bait ni Jose Marichan, oh. Hinay pa ako kanina. So, ayan. Ang niluto ko, ito. Spaghetti sauce. Mga 2 kilo to. Tapos yan, bagis. Giniling. Ito naman, minarinate ko. Para bukas, yan ang babaunin nila. Wrap na lang. Wrap. Wala akong maisip na ipabaon sa kanila kasi galing ako ng Marks and Spencer's kanina lang. Kumuha ako ng Too Good To Go. Actually, wala akong nakuha. Meron akong mga nakuha pero hindi pwede pambaon. So ngayon, ang iluluto ko na lang daw sa kanila dahil busog pa sila. Ito na lang, pizza. Ayoko sanang kunin yan. Kaya lang syempre pagka Pagka too good to go, hindi ka talaga makakapili. Depende kung sino yung nagbabantay. Yung nagbabantay kanina medyo mahigpit, hindi natin kakilala. Kaya yan. Kung anong meron, yun ang pagtsatsagaan natin. So yan, dito ko na i-end ang vlog natin. Salamat po sa panonood. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Libre lang po mag-subscribe yan. At saka kung nanonood po kayo, sana mag-comment kayo, mag-like kayo para dumami naman yung ano natin, watch hours natin, tsaka sa algorithm ng YouTube makasama tayo. Yan, salamat po!